I don't know the song or the lyrics or the songs. I just know that is an Offspring song. Yeah, do 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 do. Hello, how's it going? It's me. It's time. We vibe. We grooving. We moving, and then it's time to chill. Ah. I am waiting for the stream to start on my end so I can mute it. So therefore, this should be a semi-flawless stream. And then guess what? And then we can work. I just realized I need to freaking CD into the project. 0183. Yep. Run it. Pop it. Light. Just pop it. Gotta have it. Make it big. There we are. That's legible, right? Yeah, it's legible. That's legible at a glance. Okay. So let's see. So I want to now double check that we can drag that over here. What I want to do is I want to check the projects folder. Yippee! I just imagine you doing just that fucking yippee meme. Like, one second here. Wait. Just like, hold on, hold it, on, hold it, on, hold it 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 on, my goober. Hold it on, my goober. This. Just that. I just every time I see Adam say yippee, that's just what I imagine. Like that sound and everything. It's yippee. Let's see. Put that here. You for real? Okay, cool. So I did nail it. Awesome. There's that. Okay. Now where am I going here? So, oh yeah, what I wanted to check real quickly was if we go to frickin' where is it? If we go to my file explorer one more time. So what I'm looking for is the game files, which I think are on my local file. Oh yeah, it's the Christmas stream. It's not December 26th yet. Screw you. You can see right up here, it does say actually December 25th. So, oh no, you can't. December 25th. Yeah, screw you. Suck a nut. Does it say it's supposed to be snowing right now? That is not where I live, but okay. Okay, it's 1:18 a.m. for me. Yeah, I'm doing a Christmas stream because guess what? Illy, y'all. Oh, that's inaccurate. I just noticed the stream says like I'm still like preparing to stream. That's a little bit inaccurate. Well, anyways, here we are. But yeah, what was it? It was like, what was the freaking thing again? It was like app support. Yeah, it was here. And it was 09. And it was, yeah, so okay, so here's the local files. Copy owner his path name. I'm just gonna add a readme, readme.md, cool, hey, pound, 09 notes. URL. Sorry, local URL is equal to. Sorry, I'm just gonna say user, semicolon double dash is equal to that. There we are. Cool. Alright, so we have a user now assigned. I just realized to do a quick get init. Get commit all. I'm sorry, it's get add all. Get commit dash m first commit because I'm not that stupid. Sorry, because I'm not stupid enough to not use git. Yep, there we are. Awesome. We got groove time now. Let's go. Okay, so now if I double check, what I want to do is I want to see very quickly if I go to here. So thanks to Adams, we have this little logs folder right here. So if I go to test the preview again, I should see one more folder added. Or one more thing added. Cool. Oh wait, I just realized I think I played the wrong scene, so let's not worry about that. Let's do main. Jason updated successfully. I don't think it writes a file. Adam, do we have to put you in the naughty chair? Adam, I think we gotta put you in the naughty chair. Adam, we gotta put you in the naughty chair. Wait, maybe you're good. Day 5, we did that. Hour 23, minute 21. Oh, you lucky. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so now, now that we are done judging Adam intensely and harshly for something that they did not do, let us now very quickly do the thingy. Let's see. Alright, let's see. So what I want to do now is I want to see. So Adam put this in main, or I put it in main because Adam gave it to me. What I want to do now is I want to take all this. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna do ex. I'm gonna go to lib. I'm gonna go to I'm gonna create a file name write underscore file .js made by at I'm gonna quickly paste it first before I freaking forget it. I don't want it to be JS. What am I doing? Pound write underscore file .gd, and then what I'm now going to do is that no, not that. What am I doing? Pound made by at original, because I'm definitely going to add it. Made by atom. I'm officially a good program. Hey, Sapphire, it's 2 a.m. for you. Why not 3, huh? Sounds like you're slacking. Such a slacker. How could you slack, Sapphire, like that? I'm doing okay. I had a bit of a wonderful encounter at the Christmas thing, so that was thrilling. Yeah, so I'll carry on. So my Christmas went relatively well. So for context, like, I am a poor bean, so I didn't give many gifts. I put a little bit more money into like making sure the gifts that I got were good gifts, and all of them seemed to hit. So that was 10 out of 10. And let's see. And then from there, it was all good. I was freaking the host of the party, basically. It was awesome. But then the issue is that freaking how do I put it? My night was bittered because basically, long story short, my family they for some reason, feel free to tell me why, view me as like some like incessant basement crawling like lizard person who's like video games ruin their life and shit. So it's like what happened was like my younger sister, she plays Fortnite. Oh yeah, by the way, sorry. I just have to bring this up since I mentioned Fortnite. Where is it? There it is. Um 18 eliminations rated and weep in one game. Anyways. That's all. I have to brag about it once because I will probably not play Fortnite again in a very long time. So yeah. And by the way, I'm aware Fortnite uses bots. That was definitely not bots. I promise you it was not bots. Anyways, um, but what was it from there? To be fair, some of them played like bots, but anyways, where am I going from this though? Is so yeah, so I went to play like like a couple of games with her just as like a whatever, because like I personally don't care for the game. It was like whatever, you're super into it, I'll play it, whatever, right? And frickin' she like they immediately got like super pissed because, for context, if you couldn't tell by that previous image, I'm a competitive person. I like to play multiplayer games competitively, right? Like, that being said, like, I'm not going to go into like a casual lobby and like curb stomp people who are trying to have fun. Like I'll go to like the ranks if like the rank mode if I'm trying to be like that serious, right? But like with her, it's like, like she's on like a Switch, so like, she was on a Switch, I was on PC, so like I'm sure that probably fucked with the matchmaking a little bit, but I'm pretty sure there's mouse users. But anyways, but yeah, so there's like people coming up behind us at one point, and then like they were just like, oh, we don't want you talking like that with her in a game and whatever. I'm like, I was saying behind you, like, what's the issue? And then they started bringing it in like an age thing, and they're like, oh, you're like freaking like 23 and she's like 9, isn't that weird? I'm like, she's my fucking sister. If it wasn't family, I completely agree, but we are family. It is Christmas. We spent all fucking day together. I did this for her to try to be nice. Like, are you serious? You're like implying some incredibly sketchy shit, some sketchy deplorable shit, when I'm just trying to be nice to my younger sister. Like, bruh, you don't even like know what she's doing 9 times out of 10, but because she had me fucking on speaker and you heard me going, oh, like, behind you, like, I'm the fucking villain? Like, what? Like, nah, like actually fuck off with that noise. Yeah, it's absolutely thrilling. My fucking my father and stepmother are just both fucking, like, when it comes to like games, just fucking insane. They're actually fucking cooked. But yeah, there's basically how my Christmas night was bittered. Let's see. So should we just include that? Cool. Okay, so if I do whoops. If I do that, I go back to main. Cool. So on main, I want to include res semicolon lib / right underscore file dot gd. Okay, so why is that erroring? Unexpected new line in class body. What? Usually starts 3 and representing the. Oh, I see. Let's see. So I wanted to do like freaking const right underscore file is equal to not include but preload. I think include makes a lot more sense, but yeah. Const right file. Whoops. Const right file equals preload and then the thing. I'm pretty sure that's right. Am I tripping? No, it's just writefile.gd. That is strange. Like, why are you erroring, though? Moonlit Prob would be saying hi right now, but she's asleep, or at least trying to. That's valid. That's all good. I mean, like, hey, like, freaking, I'm not Showkeepers. I appreciate y'all swinging by, to be very clear, and like, hey, you know, hope you enjoy the Christmas stream and vibes, but you know, you get the idea. Yeah, why is that an issue? Why is that an issue? Whoops. Oh, because I did capital C for const. Save it. It's fine now. Yep. Cool. Awesome. Got it. Cool. Awesome. Got it. Cool. Awesome. Okay. Back to here. Load file. Okay. I'm gonna go back to the 3D view because I prefer the 3D view. 3D view is cool. Okay, now let's see. What is the syntax that Adam wrote for this? Lib, write file. I'm gonna do a mark that is W. Oh, I see what Atom did. Adam, you silly bean! Let's fix this little function doodad here. Doink, args is equal to, and then we'll go like this, insert a double quote. Excuse you, I definitely inserted a double quote there. Okay. Shift I, double quote, exit. Okay, that worked. Weird. There's that. Let's see. Let's say null, I guess. Null. String, which is equal to null. Know your code. I mean, muhi ha hu ha ha he hu ha. I am evil. Just for context, the reason why I'm doing this, Adam, is because personally I prefer the ergonomics of writing what do you call it? Of writing it this way, because when you pass it as a map instead of a bunch of key value pairs, it makes it a lot more like transformable, right? Well, I'm gonna try at least get a little bit of sleep tonight. Spoiler alert, I won't. But see you next stream, or maybe stream after that. Yeah, totally. I mean, hey, thanks for swinging by. Greatly appreciate it. Yeah, I hope you have a great sleep. I hope your Christmas is well. And yeah, have a great Neeners. Let's see. So I want to do. Let's see. I want to do file to be args.file. Oh, you did lowercase f2. Why did you do lowercase f, Adam? Or maybe it just got capitalized and didn't catch that I capitalized it. Yeah, okay. Let's see, so then we got that. So we got file, value, and key both need to be replaced. So we'll do key is instead going to be args.key. Whoops. Args.key, and then frickin' args.value. Let's see. Args.value. Oh, frick, I did it again. Oh yeah, and then the reason why I also enjoy this, Adam, is because in this way too I can verify that, like, you know, file args and whatever aren't null, and if they are, then I can do something, right? So, like, for instance, I can do something like if you know, file dot, or sorry, args dot file is equal to null, you know, like print file undefined cannot write file, like that, basically, right? Oh, I didn't mean to sign, I meant to do that. Yeah, and I can do like a return 0. Yeah. Uh, I made a 5 slices of pepper jack cheese. I don't capitalize. That is extremely valid. I'm not sure if you've noticed, but I actually personally basically refuse to capitalize unless it's syntax, like in basically everything. Basically the only exception to that is if I'm doing like a title, basically. Or I'm like conforming to convention, because I don't want to like come into like well established conventions and like say fuck it. Um, let's see. Uh, I had this on my newer version of the code, but I never sent it to you, lol. I mean, hey, fair enough. I mean, you saw it was like a 2-second fix. I'm just gonna duplicate this just so the idea is all good. Whoops, not what I wanted to copy. That did not look like it copied everything I wanted to. There we are, there we are, there we are. We'll do that. If args.file, args.key, and then args.value. Yeah, so there's that. Let's see. I'm going to trust that this works. And if it becomes an issue, then I'll come back and debug it. But yeah, so now like right there you can see that like I very quickly did some stuff. I put error file cannot be null or empty. Did you? Is not JSON return 0. That's fair enough. Oh, I'm gonna rename this to, instead of write file, I'm gonna say write JSON, because that's what we're doing ultimately. Like it's confined to JSON, right? So let's fix that. Write JSON. I think I'd mark that as Control W. I think it still loaded the buffer. Anyways, so in write JSON, so create a mark here. And then now I want to go back to main. So from here, yeah, we're not in write file. What do you want to do? Write JSON. Write JSON. Look. Write JSON is equal to that. There's that. And then that needs to be renamed to write JSON. I'm totally fine with it being conformed to JSON. Just, gotta make sure it's like valid. I think I would do a Shift R. Nope. Oh, I was trying to do something fancy. Anyways, there we are. Oh no, I should probably do this properly. Write underscore JSON. Oh, exit. That didn't correct for some reason. Frick. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so sloppy on my keyboard right now. There we are. Okay, there we are. Yeah, and then now I can pass this as a map. Because like another thing that I appreciate about that pattern is it forces it enforces explicitness, which like by comparison to like something else is some other ways is just absolutely blessed. So let's see. So we're gonna say file is equal to that. Key is gonna be equal to that, and then value is equal to that. And then one more time, file, key, whoops, key is test, and then value is going to be that. I don't think single quotes are played with nice. Yeah, shoot. Wait, single quotes seem to be playing fine. What's the issue here? The heck? Okay, anyways, what's this? Write JSON is not a function. What? Is it because I gotta do like func write JSON? Oh wait, is it what if I call this WJSON? Const WJSON. And I say like I'm actually just do WJ. WJ dot yeah, write underscore JSON. I think that's what I have to do. WJ dot write underscore JSON. See, WJ not declared in current scope. Oh yeah, because I forgot to rename it up here. WJ. Could not call that on that. Do I have to make it like a class? Is that the issue? So then I have to call .new on it instead, I think. So if we go back to here, equals. Wait, what? Oh no, because then I have to do like I'm gonna still do WJ, and then in thing I'm gonna say WJ dot, or sorry, I'm gonna say var WJ, which I'm gonna leave undefined. And I'm just gonna say, hey, defined later. Yes, letters for names instead of acronyms. Yeah, I mean, like, with how much I'm gonna be using this, it makes sense. You know, it's like how it's like how it's just tan instead of tangent. It makes sense. Anyways, where am I going for this? So then now I want to say that WJ is equal to WJ.new. That seems to work. Okay. So I do the exact same thing and I reload. This runs. If we close that, we reopen the frickin' JSON here. Can I just make you default? Always open with just frickin' text that, please. Start time is going to be equal to hour 23, minute 42. Yep, alright, that seems accurate. Okay. We did it, boyos! Let's frickin' go. Okay, so we got that done for now. Look how clean that looks now. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, hey, to create conversation, hey Adam, you ever try using NeoVim? You ever try do the NeoVim thing? Finally, I wrote code that works. Now, if I could do it consistently, I would be unstoppable. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Whoops. 1, 2, 3, 2. Whoops. Wrong one. 1, 2, 3, 1. V-yank. Expand you, please. Paste. Whoops. There's that. There's that. Awesome. V-yank. Paste. Tab, please. Okay. 2. V-yank. Init. Or sorry, not init. What am I thinking of? I'm thinking of create log. Or not create log. Yeah, I guess create log. What else am I thinking of? So, I'm trying to think. I don't know how much I want to though. Anyways, that works. So that's cool. So we got that done and locked. Okay. Okay, let's see. And I'm gonna add a pass here just because, yeah. Actually, I'm gonna do return because return is cooler. Return because return is cooler. Return. Stream sponsored by Adam Labs TM. The TM. Also, shake my head at him. You never answered my question. I see how it is. You just hate me. Tisk tisk. Let's see. So where am I going with this? So let's work on spawning the player, right? So what we'll do is let's see, I'm trying to think like how would I want to do this? Okay, I'm gonna create a global flag in the game state. So I'm gonna go to config settings. I'm gonna actually make it here, and I'm gonna name it server settings. Server underscore settings, and then I'm just gonna say hey. Whoops. I'm just gonna say hey. Here's some stuff you can do. I'm just gonna say something like as an example, like max underscore clients is equal to, let's just say 4 for now, because that's going to be my multiplayer setting thing. Then here I'm going to say create underscore, whoops, that's the space on underscore, create underscore local underscore client. And I'm going to say that that is going to be equal to true by default. So my plan here is that create local client basically on startup runs my script, terribly fails, like project delete self. But no, what I was gonna say is basically, so my mentality here is that with create local client defined, what I want to do is I want it to be so that I asked you if you ever tried to use NeoVim. I think you're delayed, Adam. Just as a thingy. Or maybe you're just taking a minute because of brain lag. But no, what I was gonna say was like I'm curious if you're not okay, so just brain lag, got it. But no, what I was gonna say was so like what do you call it? Create local client. What I'm thinking here is basically I'll create a server versus a client version. The idea is that I'm just going to have this create local client true thing, and then if the create local client is equal to true or null, then start a local client, and then that client will automatically try to connect to the game server, right? Because the idea is that I want a background process that's running, and then I want a front end process that's also running, and then the idea is that the first client to connect to the game server is just automatically enabled as the host, which should never be an issue. Basically just don't leak your IP before you like publish the fucking server address. There you go. And then yeah, that seems cool. And then you know what I'll actually do is I'm gonna do this. I'm also going to do I'm gonna add a flag which is going to be limit underscore host underscore IPs, limit host IPs, and I'm gonna set that to false. And then what I'll also do is I'll set what is it? Authorized underscore host underscore IPs, and I'm gonna make this an array, and then the array is basically going to be, you know, like 192.168.0. You know, X as an example, right? .0.0. I don't know if that'll work actually. I'm just gonna put in a string, and then we'll just parse string to say like, you know, part A, part B, part B. So C. Because in that way, what we're basically saying, 127.0.0. X like that, I think, would be good. Because what this is basically saying is it's saying, hey, like, if it's any local network, first one to connect is fine. If it's not the local network, don't accept traffic from it. I think that's cool. And then that needs to be a comma. Let's see. And then, I'm just gonna say here, like, game underscore port is going to be equal to just say, like, 8080. Or not 8080. What's a non-developer one that would be awkward? Let's do... Hey, Adam, you know what? Because you wrote me that little write file, what should the default port be? What do you think the default game port should be? I think it has to be above 1,000. Let's see. Safe ports to use for networking. I don't think that's a valid port. For networking in game. Ports under 1,000 are reserved. Ports above are fine. Highest port number for computer. Oh, no, that's apparently valid. So 107701. You get your wish. 107701. Ta-da. Let's see. Oh no, I think that is out of... No, that is out of range. I'm silly. I'm a silly bean. I misread that for some reason. Yeah. That's almost double. Do you have a genuine number that you'd like to use? 10707. Okay, cool. I don't know why. Do you mind sharing, Adam? Do you have a little piece of trivia for the class? Let's see. Is port 10707 reserved? Let's see. Alright, it's not an assigned port. Got it. Cool. So it's a good port to use, Adam. So awesome possum. Yuan. Okay, let's see. And then I want to go X, and I want to go comma right. So let's see. I'm just going to go here one more time as well. I'm going to go pound, whoops. Pound 123 1, jump to the end. Pound 123 1. And then from here I want to go 123. Whoops. Pound 123. What's that? Pound 123. Whoops. 123 2. Basic error. Checking to validate it can be run without crashing. Whoop, crashing. Let's see, Discord. How is that a Discord thing? I see you just DM me. I hate YouTube chat. Look at my username, not my display name. Your username. Let us see. Let's go here. Let's go down to here. Did I close my tab by accident? I think I closed my stream tab. Oops. YouTube.com. YouTube. YouTube.com. 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 Go to the channel. I'm guessing it's because of this part right here. It's like 10707. That's my guess. Ooh, random piano. I get to judge you. Is this the thing you sent me? It is. It is. Exactly. I could actually see it on YouTube chat. Is it hidden in this YouTube chat? Yeah, actually, so here. I love 107 and 701. Fair enough. So for context, I actually see this on my chat. I'm not sure if yours is the same, but this is what I see. This is how mine looks. Linus Torvalds. Oh my god, Adam. I just remembered something fucking hilarious that I have to show you, which you'll probably love. Linus Torvalds, have you been approached to put a back door in Linux? Are you here, Adam? Are you here, Adam? This is worth watching. This is worth watching. Whoops. 1 second. Okay, you're here. Awesome. Okay, sorry. I just had to make sure you're present for this because this is glorious. You ready for this? Bam.
Have any of you been approached for a back door?
Oh, sorry. 1 second. Sorry, I messed that up.
Yeah, so this question, have any of you been approached by the US for a back door? No.
Oh, no. Fucking beautiful.
So.
Fucking beautiful. I don't know why I haven't liked that before. That's beautiful. Fucking mwah. Oh, fucking that. That man got something upstairs. He got something cooking. You doing good. Nah, fucking that was awesome. I remember seeing that and like actually being like lol, a backdoor in Linux. Hey, what is a backdoor but a known vulnerability? A known RCE. Oh, why did I do those backwards? That's definitely wrong. Cannot write. Alright, so that's file. Let's see. I'm gonna do key. And then I want to do do I want to do args or do I want to do value? I want to do value because I'm being stupid. Value. Let me change this frickin' song. Oh, I want to open Serato. Oh, it's okay. Awesome. Gotta get it. Go. Oh yeah. So now that we have this, I'm just trying to make sure I build this code in the best way possible because the issue is that I haven't done a lot of this before, so I haven't built up like habits for this yet, right? So I'm like absolutely suffering with like, what do I do? Alright, so what I'm also gonna do is after I double check file, I'm going to assert type of args.file. Actually, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do freaking paste assert type of args is equal to map. Is it map or dictionary? Map. No, I probably have to do like type underscore map. Dictionary. Okay, so we got assert type is dictionary. Oh, expected type of that. Type of args is equal to dictionary. Cool. And then I also want to assert that assert type of args dot file. I'm actually just gonna do this real quick. I'm gonna do this is equal to type underscore string or type of let's see, and then I want args dot whatever is equal to type underscore is there a number int? Is there no number type? Well, we're gonna assume just string. We're just gonna assume it's a string. Always passes a string. Got you. Let's see. That to be safe. Yank. Args dot. So this first one is for file. Next one is for key. Key. Next one is for value. Value. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see. What I want to do is I want to try to do args.file. Args.file. I'm trying to think of what I can do. Is there like a two-string type? Two underscore string. The args.file is equal to args.file. Oh, no, sorry, two-string args.file. Oh, too many arguments. Okay. Let's try args.file.toString. There we are. Yank. Then we'll paste that. Oh no, wrong paste. Yank. We got file. We got key. Key. And then we got a motherfucking value. Value. Okay, so now that we have all this done, you totally look at my camera script. Or sorry, you should totally look at my camera script. Yeah, in like a little bit, I'll definitely use that as like reference. My main issue is that like like what's in my brain and trying to like communicate it to you is gonna be like a huge pain in the ass. That's why I'm like spending time like going over this, because like the thing is that I'm gonna use this script so fucking much that like I need to make sure the script is like bulletproof, right? So I need to make sure that like if it fails, it can, or so sorry, like I need to make sure in testing that is bulletproof, because I really, 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 really don't want a user to experience, like my game breaking, right? Nah, M1's Abrams proof. What do you mean by that? Like, I know what an M1 Abrams is the gun. So, do you mean, like, is it because, like, M1 Abrams is, like, a higher caliber, and you're saying, like, you want to be more, like, resistant to that? Like, I'm not understanding the joke! It's a tank. Oh, yeah, it is a tank. Fuck. I was thinking of the M1 brand. Let's see. Let's see. Let's do this. Alright, so that's printing the file contents. Okay, so at this point, I should also be able to do JSON. I'm gonna actually do this. Write underscore JSON original made by. I guess you just yank this. Let's do that. V-inner paste. Whoop. Nope. V-inner bracket. Whoa, what are you doing? V-inner. There we are. Paste. Awesome. That's what I was looking for. Let's see. Basic space script to load, to add a value to JSON file. Good chow. Awesome. Awesome. But yeah, like now like back to what I was saying is like I don't like I understand my game will have bugs and it won't be flawless and a bunch of things, right? But personally speaking, I consider it a fundamental failure if like my game is like ridden with bugs, right? I personally consider it extremely unacceptable to have code that commonly fails, right? Like my website currently has that and I'm very unhappy about it. So, you know, you get the idea. Um, yes. So now what I want to do is so right here is basically to where it works. So what I'm basically gonna do is I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna say verify file exists. Also, if you're wondering what these weird comments are for, is in NeoVim, there's actually different types of like folding you can do. So in NeoVim, if I have these tags, I can do like collapsing like that, like dynamic collapsing based on the number. And I fucking love it because it's like, you know, you can say and collapse everything and collapse some things, and I can do like this, kind of skim over things, right? It makes my life so nice. So if you're wondering why I'm including these comments, it's because like it's kind of like my way to make like code snippets almost. Is I just go like, oh yeah, okay, from here to there, got it. And then if I ever want to like select everything, I just do like Shift V %, and then bam, there's the entire paragraph selected like from one to the other. So then now if I want to copy paste this logic somewhere else, I just go Y to yank it in my clipboard. I can go EX, I can go %, I can do read underscore JSON dot GD as an example. I can paste it, I can expand it again. Then here I can just go like func read underscore JSON. It's gonna be like this, that, and then yeah, there we are. Bam, easy. 1, 2, 3, 1. One day, Adam, I will convert you to the way of NeoVim. R with the freaking sickness. Oh, R with that. There we are. Let's expand you. Func read JSON. Oh yeah, because of that. You are a white space significant language. I forget that and it bothers me. Return file underscore contents. Let's see, read JSON. This will return a string. The only thing I want to take on is freaking the only thing I want taken is like a file. So I'm just gonna say file is equal to null assert file is not equal to null. Let's see. So I want to make sure file is not equal to null, and I forget which was the ampersand. Is it 7? It's 7. Okay. File is not equal to null, and let's see, type of file is equal to type underscore string. I'll just smell code in the morning. Yeah, that code smells good. Let's see. Apparently Sonic Forces uses Linux somewhere in the whole thing. That's neat. Let's see. That is definitely not unused. Oh yeah, then you credit. Read underscore JSON, do that. Let's go back to, okay, let's create a mark first. We'll do mark as read. We'll go into here. I'll just freaking yank that. We'll go back to the mark of read. We'll just go paste. And then just read JSON originally made by that. Let's see, modified by vol byte. Let's see, doink. So add that the assertions of type. Cannot find type string. Oh, we need capital S. We need capital S. Let's see. I'm just gonna say return 0. I'm gonna see if I can do like dot return this or that. Dot return string or null. Dot return type A or B. Nope. Alright. I'm actually curious now. Godot operator overloading. Or function overloading, I should say. Function overloading. Just declare the function in your parent class, and that has nothing to do with pass right and there. Alright, cool, that sounds silly. Return any. I don't want to return any. I want to specifically return like an error value, right? So I think I'll just do that. But just if returns, then you know, you get the idea. So what's the issue with you now? Args not declared in current scope. Yeah, because I don't need args. Let's go file. Whoops. File. 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 Come on, there we go. File, parse result, unused variable. You're definitely you. Oh no, you aren't. What if I do? I go back to write. Where does parse result get used? To define it there. Oh, I see. I need all this as well. Parse successful, parse fail. Yeah, okay, so just that, then basically is all I'm missing. Whoops. Let's see, yank. Read, and I just want to paste all this there. Okay, let's see, then I want to return that. Let's see, I want to do that. If parse is not equal to okay, then I want to do that. If not, then I want to just do that. Yes. Okay. I think that's awesome there. Yeah, because I'm doing the check. Okay, I want to do that, and then I also want to do one more assert, which is going to be and file is not equal to that. Because if any of those conditions are true, then that's bad. Like, I'm not really too concerned about, like, massively overloading this function, because the issue is that, like, an operator like this is just inherently going to be, like, you know, poor performance, right? Like, any disk write is going to be molasses slow to the point that, like, it doesn't matter what the fuck I do. File dot contains, because it should have at least one / in it. Open file. What's wrong here? R is not declaring the current scope. I wonder why. Let's see. Okay, that seems to be bulletproof. So then now, if I go to main again, if I then do, let's see, write JSON, const, read JSON is equal to preload, whoops, res /lib / read _ JSON dot gd. There's that. When I want a quick var rj, and then I just want to do same thing here, which is just going to be rj rj dot read _ JSON, and then I'm just looking for frickin' basically just this. Double quote, yank, paste it, cool. Okay, so then I want to do that, and I just want to say, hey, I want to say var game read is just going to be equal to that, and I just want to do print game _ read. I just want to do like that, comma space, game read is that. Whoops. Let's see. I think this might work. Let's go to reload. RJ is erroring. Why is RJ erroring? Reload. Yeah, that might be a small issue. Whoa, I did not do that. There we are. Save. Let's try that one more time, shall we? Okay, let's see. I gotta figure out how to do toString. Dot convert number to string. Into string conversion. Stir int. Okay. So there's toString. Let's see, string. I don't know why they'd have a toString argument, but sure. Stir that. Let's see. Key that. Word. Word. Whoops. Oh, no, undo. Let's see. Shift FA. Whoops, Shift FA. Boink. Stir. Whoops, I did not put one there either. Stir. Let's see. You code a bunch of the test. I code a bit at a time. Then test like a bajillion times. Yeah, I mean my again I don't enjoy writing tests, but what I'm doing is I just want to make absolutely certain that this function, which I'm going to use a lot, is going to be like bulletproof. And like I don't mean like a lot as in like it's going to be like called a lot all over the code base. I mean it's like every fucking time somebody starts up the game, they're going to encounter this function, right? So like this is like one of the most critical like functions, right? It's like I really want to make sure that it works. Okay, game read is returning blank. Var game read is equal to that. Nah, so that date as a cookie. I mean, no. So why is that not printing? Why does that hate life? Also, not having a space just bothers me insanely for some reason. Whoop. There we are. But yeah, why is that erroring? Why is this erroring? Like why is read JSON not returning a thing? Maybe parse result? Yeah, I think I have to return parse result, not file contents. Parse underscore results. Let's see, let's run this shit again. Run it back. Parse JSON failed. Ooh, Adam. Ooh, Adam. Adam. Ooh, you failed. Ooh, you failed. Nah, I'm teasing. Let's see. What I want to do is I want to do, what is it? It's, const info is equal to, func, write underscore JSON, tilde forward slash or that, and then I want to do something like that, and I want to do frickin' res forward slash double dash, this would be lib forward slash write underscore JSON dot W, and this every print. I just want like wait, I can make a macro for this. So I want to do Q. I'm going to do P. So I want to F for print. Whoa. Undo what happened there. Whatever. I gotta undo the recording. So Q P. So I'm recording on P. I want to then search for print. Enter. I then want to go F for find, and then I want to find that bracket. Then I want to do A, and then I want to add info, comma, space, exit, and then stop recording. Then I want to do at R, wait, what? Try not find client session ID. That's not what I hit. Oh no, it's at P. Oh, look at that fucking beauty. P at. Whoops, what happened there? At P. Okay, at P. Yeah, this is a fucking beautiful macro. Goddamn, fucking. Mwah. You know what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna change fucking info to all caps. So I'm gonna do space S. I'm just gonna replace info with info. There we are. It worked before you edited it. That's the issue. Me touching it was the issue, I see. Me poking around and scrabbling its brains was the issue. Let's see, so it is actually failing to parse JSON. Oh wow, the one time I didn't frickin' do it. There we go. Because I want to make sure that's like here or there or whatever. I want to make sure it's actually running. Oops, that needs to be caps. Info. Cool. Stop. Whoops, stop. macOS. You there. drag you over. I said drag you over. I said drag you over. I want to go like there. Alright, so now that that is saved, let's actually see why that's erroring now. Right, JSON. Okay, so pass. Parse failed. Okay, I see what I gotta do now. I gotta do one more. I gotta do GG. Oh wait, why is it not breaking onto a new line? Whatever. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna go Q P one more time. I'm gonna go search for print. Enter. I'm gonna find the closing bracket. I'm gonna insert a comma, double quote, backslash new line, unquote. That feels like it should work. And I'm gonna stop recording. Oh, I see, because I didn't do that. I'm gonna do at P, 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 at P. Oh, I see. I entered it twice. There we are. Let's see. Refresh. I mean, hey, it seems to be working, so fuck it. Parse JSON failed, so it's still... So it's failing the old function. And it's failing the new function. Parse JSON failed. Let's see. I don't know why that's not giving me any information here. That's weird. Because that's still also returning. Why is that actually happening? Oh, and I think I see why. I have a slight feeling this would be easier in any language except for GDScript. Yeah, GDScript is a weird and cruel mistress. What I'm just looking at, what I'm thinking is, I'm thinking something right here is wrong. Because it's printing it, but it's saying that it's also failing. So let's see. I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna do a quick print. Whoops. I want to print info, comma. Length is greater than 0. Then I also want to say length is greater than 0, and then I want to say frickin' what is it? Backslash n. There. Whoops. Let's see if that line gives me any insight, because I think that's the most strategic thing to do. Alright, length is greater than 0, so it's literally erroring right here. Let's see. Let's see. Print info, comma space, file underscore contents, and then comma file underscore contents. Then I want to whoops, yank paste, and then I want to do parse result. Parse underscore result. Parse underscore result. Cool. Go away. Bring it back. So let's see. So I'm seeing. Let's see. Let's see. Funk rate JSON. There it is. Length is greater than 0. File contents. Okay, so it's reading the file contents. Parse result 43. Okay, I know that. That's an error. This is an error. This is erroring right here. So why is JSON.parse erroring? Let me look at the freaking log. What I'll do is I'll go to a new tab. I'll cd and I'll go to this. Actually, I'll go back. Actually, I'll go save this. I'm gonna go tab new. I'm gonna go to frickin' the README. Cool. V enter u yank. Vi space yank. No. Vi space yank. Why are you not working? Vi quote space yank. There we go. My brain's a little not working right now. CD here. Yes, because the legendary freaking escape character issue. nvim /. Let's see. So now we're in logs. I want gamestate.json. So if I look here, what's the issue? Okay, so that's saving as a map. So I see what the issue is. There's an extra frickin' quote there for some reason. So what if I just remove that quote and I just save it? Like, is it like a save issue with like the parse or whatever? Like, if I go like this, will it now work? JSON parse failed. Okay, wait. Greater than 0. It's returning the result. Parse result 43. Okay, so yeah, okay, so it loads like that. Last time I had this issue was the way the JSON data was formatted before being written like that was that, yeah. So what I'm thinking instead is I know we're getting the data. And I know it's getting passed in as a string. Can I go back to main? Like, I know we're just getting the start time, right? Is it possible that I instead, mark's not set, excuse me. Oh, because I'm in the wrong spot. Yeah, let's go from here to there. Comma W. So in here, I guess I could, oh wait, you know what? I think my issue is that I might not, okay, so the value I know for a fact I want to be that, but I don't actually want to necessarily convert it to a string. Those are something that I could technically not do. So maybe that might have been my issue. Stop, reload. Let's see. So now if I run back up, JSON parse issue 43. Okay, what if we go back here again? We go to the whole CD, freaking whatever that is. Got to add the escape character. New vimit. Game state. So the issue is it's not saving as like the thing, right? That's the issue. It's supposed to be a JSON data type or something like that. No, like, so what the issue right now is it's just, if you look, I'll just break it onto a new line so it's a little bit more readable. Let's see, I'm just gonna look for freaking double quote test. if we look here, the issue is right here. For some reason, there's a 4 and then a quote being added here. And I don't know why that is. And this extra parenthesis. Because this parenthesis is supposed to be on the inside of the quote, like that. And I don't know what those characters are doing there. So, you can see it right here, this little ugly bastard. But I don't know why it's doing that. Let's see. Okay, so I go back. Sorry, I'm gonna go to. I'm gonna make a log here. Mark L. And I'm gonna load. Load the right. Oh wait. Yes, I'm sure I want to put that. So now my issue is what is the point here? Like, why is that erroring? Oh wait, because I am technically inserting the type as a string, so let's also get rid of that. Oh no, that's key. I want the key to be that. I'm concerned about the value. Which I fixed. Okay. So what the heck? Alright, let's, before we go too far, let's just see what we're printing here with time. Let's just do frickin' print, you know, time, time, comma space time, Time. Alright, so we got time now. What if we rewrite it now? What is time being written as? Like, how is time being loaded? Time is being loaded as... Okay, so it's somewhere between here and here. Oh. When did I add string time? No, string time makes sense. Hold on, I'm gonna break this into a new one. I'm gonna go like that. Actually, we don't even need that. So, what the hell was that one about? Okay, yeah, so there's an issue directly between time, which is like up here. I don't know why that didn't reload properly. Between like time, which is like up here. Wait, is time not being printed now? I removed the print for time. Rip. Print. Time. Time. It is that. Alright, now that I fixed that. So why is time... Yeah, time doesn't have that. So where is that frickin' other thing being added? The frickin' quote 4 thing. I also just realized that it's still trying to read it. So maybe if we do one more thing. Oops. And then we try and frickin' make sure it's valid first. By just, you know... nvim // logs game state cool freaking cool save it awesome really cool this tab no I don't know what you kill it and if we reload convert type from int function who's already a string. Okay, where did that happen though? At read JSON 37. Okay, we made progress. So we're at line 37. Return type value of int. Oh. Or parse underscore result. I should say type of type of parse underscore result is equal to type underscore int. Yep, there's the error. Let's see, we have the time right there. We're reading that. It's greater than 0. Okay, the write has been cured. So I don't know if it's like correct now, but no, it looks correct. Okay, that looks right now. That looks right. Okay. We're making progress. So the write has been fixed. So JSON updated successfully. And then it's saying, okay, I'm trying to parse this, and then it's saying parse failed. So now why is this parse failing? I know it's saying type is int, but it's like, period, parse underscore results. Result is equal to something. That something is going to be parse underscore result. And then I also want to do freaking backslash n. Alright, so if we run this one more time. Parse result 0. Why is parse result 0? What? GD parse parse result. JSON parse returns 0. Oh, you know what? No. So parse result, I believe 0 is actually like the pass index. Whatever. I think I'm pretty sure it means 0 is like bad, but then like the other one's good. 1 second. Godot JSON dot parse, I think is what it is, isn't it? Parse result equals JSON dot parse values. Let's see, JSON. So I'm trying to see. So now from here, I'm saying file contents is this. Search for that. File underscore contents. Okay, so I got that. So it's saying what I should do instead is the data should be, what is it? Parse result equals that. And then what I want to do instead is I want to do fucking, oh no, JSON data. You got JSON data there. Where's JSON data being used? JSON underscore data equals the parse. Okay. So if it's greater than that, it wants to parse. So I'm parsing the file contents. The file contents is being defined with... Where is file contents being defined? File underscore contents. Oh. Open file. Okay. I'm getting a smell here. I don't know what the smell specifically is, but there's a smell here that I'm getting where it's like, this smells a little funny. There's a funny smell here, and I'm not digging it. So I'm saying freaking. So JSON new, JSON parse. So if parse is okay. Okay, I think this might be an issue. Let's try this. Let's try to take that line out. No, because file content needs to be something. So what are we trying to parse? We're trying to parse. The parse here is getting JSON string. JSON string is equal to that.stringify. Open file is equal to that. So file contents, let's just see if we try instead, if I comment that out, if I do file underscore contents is equal to, and then I want to do JSON, JSON dot stringify, and then whatever the other one was, open file, opened underscore file. Reload that. Okay, so let's see, we got that. Okay, so we got right, file access, parse JSON failed, okay. This seems to not be, okay, let's just do one more. Let's do one more here. We're gonna go here, we're gonna go down to there, we're gonna go with here, we're gonna go, print, let's see, successfully, wrote to file. Awesome. Alright, let's see, let's try that one more time. This would be a cute little one-liner. Funk. Oh, the rate failed. What? Parse JSON failed. Parse JSON failed. Parcel is okay. Wait, no, part result is not equal to okay. I want to do all that. There we are. Wait, what's actually written to the file? Go out just to be safe. Do that. This is what is written to the file. The issue being is that this... The issue is that right now it's getting two frickin' things for some reason. Okay, so I just saved it. Let's see what happens if I reload this. What happened now? So it saved it wrong again. Okay, so it's saving an extra fucking bracket for some reason. Why is it say? Whoops, did not mean to do that. Oops. But so like, what's the fucking? Why is that printing wrong? Let's see. Time is equal to all that. Because, like, what I basically want to say is, like, okay, like, if I go back over to here, I just want to say, like, okay, so write JSON, do all this shit. If parse result is not equal to okay. Parse result is not okay. And then... verify empty file exists. Yeah, so I'm just trying to see. So verify file exists. So what we're doing right here is we're Let's see. Percent 3. Attempting to open file. Percent 123. Whoops. Ink. Paste. Then what we're doing here is we're then saying here in this little snippet is we're saying if length is greater than 0, else equals that. Parse file if cannot parse reinit file. Re-init file. Then here for this section, let's see, and then right here what we're doing, why does this feel like it's wrong? Because there's something wrong here, because it feels like this right here is extra, and I don't know why this is here now. Whatever. I can't worry about that too much. What if I were to go say... okay, so what is this section doing? This is basically making sure, verify, parse worked. Okay, so I've verified, or sorry, I'm verifying that parsing is working. Doesn't GitHub provide saving scripts on GitHub? Yeah, but I mean, like, this is, like, not the same thing. And their example is, like, fucking, like, where is it? It's, like, fucking, like, this. This is all it is. I'm just trying to see, so it's like... I'm trying to think. So we have the asserts there, that's fine. So, with the asserts... What I'm going to do is I'm going to replace print with something else. Func print is going to take in a string, and I'm going to instead return console.log, or not console.log. I'm going to just fucking print frickin' info, comma space, string, comma space, backslash n. Vdoot. Can you not open that? Fucking drag it to the front, please? That'd be great. Let's see. So then now I just want to go qp /print enter vx shift o print. No, I'm recording this wrong. Undo. I'm still technically recording, so I can actually just go over it. I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna redo it. So then I want to go say here. I want to go q / what the fuck are you doing? Q on p / print enter tilde q. Let's actually at p at p p at p. Oh no, that's still wrong. I want to also do frickin' frick. Okay, I'm screwing up this macro so much. Record p. I want to search for print. Enter. I want to toggle the size of print. I want to F a capital I, delete word, XX, F, comma. Ooh, no, that's a bad one. Frick, now I gotta redo this thing. I want to get good at making macros. That's kind of what I'm doing right now. Okay, so let's see. I want to go. Can I control R to redo? Yeah. Alright, so I want to do frickin'. Okay, I'm gonna try this one last time, and if I can't get it, I'm like, shit. What I want to do is I want to record a macro on P. I want to search for print. Once I get to print, I want to toggle the casing of print. I want to F for capital I. I want to delete the word. And then I want to delete once. I don't technically need to delete twice. Then what I want to do is I want to find the next double quote. Then I want to percent the other end of it. Shit, whatever, I guess I could do that. And then I want to go instead, I want to go back one, V, Shift F, comma, X, stop recording. Okay. At P, at P, at P, at P. Oh, that's beautiful. At P. Whoops. At P, at P, at P, at P. Hell yeah, that was fucking beautiful. It wasn't perfect, but oh, that was satisfying to watch. That was borderline fucking art. Let's see. So then there's that. Let's see, and then I want to refresh. Heck yeah. You know what I want to do actually as well is I want to do info, comma, quote backslash n, comma, fucking, there we are. There we are. Let's see, so file contents currently is coming up as blank. Okay. So let's see. So we got file underscore contents. Next is equal to that. So file contents get as text is not returning. Length is greater than 0. File contents is returning blank. Oh no, that one actually needs file contents. So we got to go this comma space file underscore contents. I see. I gotta do this. So let's see. Oh, wait, I didn't convert stir. Reload. So file contents is still coming up as fucking error. Wait, no, it isn't, because that's quoted. But the value is being parsed as a string instead of like as another thing. So why is that? Okay. String. Okay, so first I want to specify that's a type string. String. And I also want to say just, hey, this return is just a void. Return. Okay, so that's returning void. So now that I have that done, Let's see. So, let's reload this real quickly again. Let's see what's going on now. So, it's saying the time is equal to that. Okay, so then why is the argument being saved as not a dictionary? Why is the argument being saved as like some weird mumbo jumbo? Hmm. Hmm. I'm not doing any manipulation to it. Hmm. Hmm. This is such an oddity. Like, this shouldn't be returning a fucking null. Or not null, but this keeps getting parsed incorrectly. Oh, I just realized I didn't add a tab character. I should do that. \T. Actually, wait, I can just do this. Multi-function that. So I do double quote, not that. So I do new line, then I want to add a double quote \T. There we are. Okay, so it is JSON. It's getting a length that's good. The file content is saying this, and it's parsing incorrectly. No, wait. It's parsing correctly because there's a quote there and a quote there. Wait. Should it be working now? I'm just going to do something very silly. Like, I'm just going to do like that. I'm going to do like that. I'm going to save that. I just want to make sure it's running. Alright, so it just hasn't saved. Okay. Set saving, write JSON that. It's saying the file content is equal to that. There's also the extra fucking thing there. Okay, I'm also not getting a parse result, so I might want to fix that. Let's go to the next one. Let's see. Then we're gonna go here, and then we're just gonna do parse underscore results. Yes, I need did the whole string thing. Stir. There we are. Whoops. So let's see. Parse result is returning 43. Which is correct. I'm not upset at that. Oh, let's see. If parse result failed. Well, what if instead I do this? What if instead I do that? What if instead I did that, and then I just return that, and I'm just like, hey, yeah, there's that, have fun. So it's saying parse JSON failed. Then it's saying parse JSON successful. Okay. So what quote is that for? That's the start. Oh no, this is some nightmare JSON. What? That should not have that. You should not have that. That makes sense. So if I save that, I rerun that. Is JSON length works? That's the return. Parse result equals 0. Function that JSON parse successful. JSON parse successful. Successfully wrote to file. Oh. I don't know what that one is. It's the read access apparently. So where's that one coming from? So I see successfully wrote to file. Okay, so I'm guessing it's the read where it's failing. Okay, I think that's working now. Alright, I should probably go back. I should save it just to be safe. Okay. So then now, what's the error? File access number that. Parse.json fail. Because I didn't do the other thing. So I want to go here. And I want to go back to write. I want to get that print statement that I got. Yank. Then I want to go back to read. Oh, back to read. Then I want to say, hey. Guess what I'm doing, bitch? Oh, I actually copied way more than I meant to. Oops. Okay, so there's that. Let's see. So then I got that. So then here's that. Okay, let's see if this is the issue. I realized I didn't start it. So let's see. I want to do print reading JSON file. Okay, so then after reading JSON file, I want to assert all this crap. After I assert all that crap, then I want to do all this crap. Let's just do the quick print thing. So we're going to just translate you over, We're going to take you as a string. Let's see. Let's make sure I got all the prints. Whoop, print. Next. Print. Next. Yep, that seems good to me. Oh, I see. I made the same error twice. String. Oh, I see. SRT. Or SRT, yeah. String. And then one more time, I just want to do a frickin' string that does that thing. Let's see. What are we getting here? Game read. Okay, so game read is coming blank, but that's fine. So game read, or it's not fine, but you know, it's existing. So what's happening here? So it says reading the JSON file. After it's reading the JSON file, it's saying issue getting the file access. Oh, because I must have this as write JSON. I want to read JSON. Okay, so read JSON, JSON failed, file access failed. Reading JSON. So it's saying it's having an issue here with the reading the JSON. Why is that having an error? Wait, was I fucking stupid and in main just defined it as res? I think I did. No, I defined it as user. Logs gamestate.json. Yeah, that seems fine. Let's see. So we got that. I was gonna do print, print. Let's see. Before first access yank. Before second access. Rerun. Okay, let's see. So before first access file error. Okay. So this is erroring and why. So in write underscore JSON at some points it gets the JSON data, right? Why not just keep it and return it? That's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm just moving them into separate files because, long story short, the mentality is just like, if I want to do different things, it just makes more sense to me to have them like separated, like separation of concerns, right? Because if I start dicking with like writing JSON and reading JSON, I might do two different things, and like not just that, but I also might expect different behaviors, right? So those are both important to me. So like what I'm thinking here is I'm just trying to think like, why is that like file access open file failing? Because if I go back to write, it's like it's just file access not opened, right? If I just yank this, I go back to write, I just go back to here. These are like going to be the exact same line, right? Yeah, they're the exact same line except for that, you know, file by default is null. What if I remove file as null just as a default out of morbid curiosity? Like, what if that does something? No, okay. So that's fine. So game read equals logs./game slate.json. Why is that returning blank? Okay, let's do this. Let's go back to read. Whoops. Let's go back to frickin' read. What I want to do is I'm gonna print. And I'm just gonna say string file equals comma space file. Run it. Run it back. Run it on back. Run it on back. Bring it on back. Bring it on back. Run it back. We'll bring it back. That seems right as well. Maybe it's because I'm not writing anything. Maybe it's like evaluating the code or something and just being like, no, you didn't mate. The only other thing that I can think of is maybe it's too fast. Like it's waiting for like there's like a file lock issue. Wait. Before first access, it's printing that. So it's saying before first access is doing that. It's not erroring. It's jumping down to file contents. Wait. File contents of read. I'm aware, get out. You don't need a pop-up. String. Okay, so it is. Okay, what? So it's reading fine. What? You know what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna copy this logic. Because that's what I'm doing. Verify file exists. Parse file. Verify parse works. Yeah, I'm just gonna freaking actually just copy basically all of this. Copy it. I'm gonna go back to read. I'm gonna go freaking paste this in here. I want to rename this to read. Write to read. 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 Okay, so there's all that. So now what I want to do is I'm just going to trim the fat here. So I'm just going to say, hey, I don't care about you actually doing any of that. We can get rid of all of you. And I'm just going to say instead, file is type string. Which returns a string. Which returns a string. We can get rid of all the asserts and shit here. Actually, wait, I want to return or get rid of all the asserts here. I just want to do, well, yeah, I guess fucking why not? Assert, file, or sorry, type of file, is equal to type underscore string, and on top of type string I then also want to make sure that the type is going to be freaking stable, so I want to make sure that, and file is not equal to that. I'll get to it, don't worry about it. So then I'm just saying, hey, file vf.x return that. Let's see, returns dick, if not returns that. I actually want to change that to a dictionary, or do I want it to be an object? I don't know, whatever. I'll say dick, and or no, it would be an object, wouldn't it? Object returns object. I mean, it technically is a dictionary, but whatever. I'll say dictionary. No, I'll say object. Object. I wonder what the difference between the object and the dictionary is. Whatever. Anyways, so we got that file equals that. Let's see. We got attempt to open the file, parse the file, verify it worked. I don't need to write it. So what I can do now is I can just select you, add you. Okay. Can I return the value of int? That's fine. So what would I try to parse? I would instead parse. No, actually, sorry, I can do that. Whoops. I want to do that. So I just want to skip the store. That's all I want to do. And then I want to do that, and I'll say JSON read successfully. I want to instead return. So it would be committing to the file. Instead, we would be committing JSON underscore string. Should we do JSON underscore string? Okay, I think that makes sense. I don't need that actually. Oh, let's do that. So data is going to be equal to JSON data, get data, that. Okay, I think that should work. I think I might just pasted it wrong or something. Read successfully roast a file. Okay. I think we're in the money. I think we're in the money. Think we're in the money. So let's see. I want to specify game read is of type object. And I want to do print. And I want to do freaking game year is going to be a thing. I'm actually going to do it like this. Game year. I'm going to do comma, and I'm going to do game underscore. Sorry, game underscore read, comma year. That's fine. This kind of requires you knowing the data types, but I think that's kind of fine. Okay, what's happening here? Game read object. Trying to assign type value of string to a variable object. Okay, does that not work as an object? Oh, because I'm trying to return JSON.string. That's why. Instead of JSON.data. I see. I think JSON data is what I want. Because JSON data is parsed. Whose return type is a string? Is it a string? Oh shoot, I didn't set an object. Yeah. You're supposed to be an object. Object. And then you're supposed to be a string. Or void. 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 Turn that. I'm just gonna see the line that you did. No JSON data. Something. What is JSON data defined as a JSON new? Okay, so I'm just gonna move that. I'm just gonna say, steal this line again. Yank, paste, doink, da 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 da. And I'm gonna say JSON underscore data dot parse. And then I want to go like how. Can I return type? Cannot return a value type of error because the function type is object. Is that what I'm trying to do? Is it because I forgot the quotes? Or the freaking round marks, whatever, round brackets. JSON dot parse dot. Okay. Frick. JSON dot return. Type underscore object. Frick, I need to brush up on how an object looks in frickin' Godot, because holy crap. Godot object. Get property. Object type Godot. Is it a dictionary? What is it trying to return right now? From whose type is string? Okay, but like... What's throwing me off here is that I can see it's very clearly defined here. Wait, then why am I trying to return JSON data? Why don't I just return data? Swing bada bada bada. Hey. Error cannot preload resource script that at that. Okay, well, why can you not resolve that script? I think of that, huh? Oh, found new line instead. What? What is happening? Can return type value dictionary. Okay, I was right. It was a dictionary. I knew it originally. I'm like, wait, but no, an object doesn't seem right. But I don't know what you're right. No, it's a dictionary. It's a dictionary. Dictionary. Freaking knew it. Dude, I knew that so hard, and Godot fucking gaslit me, and I'm personally offended. JSON underscore data. No, new JSON data. Then I want to do JSON underscore data equal to JSON underscore data dot parse. I want to do that. Whoops. I don't care about being confusable. I care that it works. Trying to assign type dictionary to a variable type object. Where? I don't care about that. Trying to assign where is that error happening? No, stop. Just play. Where's the error happening? Oh, yeah, because I tried to assign it as an object at some point. It's a dictionary. Dummy. Dummy, 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 dummy pants. Dummy, 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 dummy pants. Invalid property year. Okay, but what about the output? What's the output saying? Game read is saying that. Cool. I see a year property. So game read actually has a value now, though, which is good. Print type of game underscore read. Stop, run. Yeah, I get that, but what's the output? What's the type of game read?
Melting to the imprisoned image of a damaged mind, ravaged by an unforgiving time, expressed by a man, not a god, but wrapped so timely in the sinews of my aching.
I see they abstracted away behind a number. We'll do gr is equal to that. And then I'm also going to say print dick is equal to type underscore dictionary. Let's try that. Rerun that. Run it back, run it back, run it back, hit it back, run it back, run it back, hit it back, run it back, run it back, hit it back, run it back. Ugh. Oh yeah, so it's equal. So, okay. So it's still a dictionary. So why can't you access year? can I not access that? Go dot dictionary. Oh, because I just have to wait. Do I? That make sense. Yeah, no, my color. I'm still showing an error. Did I spell it wrong? No. Invalid access and type that. Why is that having an issue? Why? Why? Hmm. You know, I'm gonna try this. Let's just try it. Let's do this. We'll comment you out for keys in, or sorry, for key in game underscore read. Print. Quote key is equal to key, and then a backslash t, and then quote backslash t, comma space, and then value is going to be game underscore read dot value, or not value dot of key. Now what happens with you? It was still erroring on that next line, so maybe it's just not running because of that. Successfully wrote to file. But game read is also still returning blank. No, game read is not that. Key start time. Oh, because I'm doing dictionaries wrong. So silly. Print game year. So what I'm looking for is game year / start underscore time. And I'm looking for the index of year. Yeah, that makes more sense. Okay, no, I'm tripping time. I'm tripping start time. Okay, what am I doing here? So we're doing start time. So start time is going to be equal to whatever. Underscore read start underscore time. Whoop, I need to fix that. Start time. Yeah, you're supposed to be a closing bracket. And then the closing parenthesis. Okay. So then if I do, say, start time, type of, I'm curious if it's returning as a string, game underscore read, start underscore time. Because it should be a dictionary, like within a dictionary, right? But if it's not, then that throws concern. Let's see. Let's see. Start time type is equal to that. Let's rerun you one more time. Equals 4. Okay. Print. Whoa, what did I do? Whoa. Oh, I just jumped to the end somehow. Pain. Oh, you have no idea. Type of that. Let's see. Let me do this. Do not attempt Sonic Forces all S ranks. Why is that? Why is that, Bubs? Are you getting bad at video games? It didn't seem that bad at all. Hmm. Let's see. I feel like it's straight up random whether or not I get an S rank or an A rank in that game. Yeah, I think one thing that I found douchey is that if you get hit like right at the end and you lose all your rings, you get like no points basically, or like they're greatly diminished. Cool scope. What the fuck happened here? I did not click that. So type 4 is a string. Okay. So... Oh god, I gotta make this fucking recursive. Fuck. Oh no. So start time is equal to that. That looks like it should parse. So then, frick. Hey Adam, if you want to know why I want to separate these, this is one of the reasons why. Let's go here. Data. Okay, so let's see. I just need to parse. Let's see. Let's see. We also have no hot water. I wash my hair, bird bath style in the bathroom with hand soap. Sounds absolutely thrilling. Let's see. I'm gonna do funk. Try underscore parse. Try parse. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say hey. So I'm gonna say let's see. I'm taking string. That's gonna be a fucking string. Actually, I'm just taking strong. I'm just gonna say if this fixes too. So we're doing the parse thing, which is all this. So I'm gonna do this. Let's see, there's that. So if if a type of strang equals, or sorry, it's not equal to type underscore string, then what I want to do is I want to return that. I was gonna watch a video essay while curled up with my harem of Sonic plushies. I wish you well with that. Fuck off. Not you, this thing. Let's see, open file. Okay, I don't really care about that. What I care about is... Okay, so I care about this, sorry. I care about this, I lied. I care about this. I want to put this back, mostly. So... I want to take this. I'm trying to think of like how I want to like return the parse, because I think I screwed up the parsing thing. So I want to verify the parse is okay, and that the parse is okay. Okay, yeah. So I want to make like all this. Return 0. Okay, so then let's see. So if I do that, good luck. I wish you no recursion. Finally enough, I'm about to solve this with recursion. Let's see. Let's see. So I just want to say, hey, so what's the thing I'm getting? So I'm getting I'm gonna yank all this again. I'm gonna paste this down here. Like this. I'm confusing myself. Okay, so let's do that. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's make sure everything's back. Okay. I think this is running, right? This runs. It does. Okay, so the issue is that each thing is not recursed. So, alright, what I then want to do is, so I then want to do, say, let's see, try parse, children recursively. 1 2 3 3 pound 1 2 3 1 2 3 3. Ooh, that's not what I'm looking for. Like that, like that. And then, so what I want to do is I want to say, okay, so then what I want to do is I want to do like, so for key in, sorry, for keys in parse result, I think that's what I'm looking for, isn't it? No, okay, no, I'm too high, so I want to go then here. Okay, then what I want to try to do is I want to try 4 keys in parse, not parse result. What am I thinking of again? I'm not doing parse result. I'm doing JSON underscore data dot underscore data dot get underscore data I then want to do things. Listen, we need to pass here just to make it happy. Not pass, just fucking, continue. So then now what I want to do is I want to say, hey, if, type of keys is equal to, sorry, if type of keys is equal to, type underscore, string, then what I want to do, if it's equal to type string, then what I want to do is I want to say, okay, so, or sorry, if it's not equal to type string, because that means it's already parsed, I just want to say continue. So it's not a string, continue. If it is a string, then what I want to try to do is I want to try to do keys dot, or sorry, no, I want to do, how do you parse it again? It's JSON, not JSON, I get that, it's, what is it? It's freaking, parse result is equal to that. Just trying to think of how to do this because I just want to be certain. So JSON data equals that. JSON underscore. Whoa, what am I typing? JSON underscore data is going to be equal to. No, JSON data. We already got JSON data. So JSON got data is that. Parse result equals that. So I'm just saying to get the parse result, I'm gonna say var parse2 underscore result is going to be equal to JSON underscore data dot parse let's see, key. I think that's going to be that. No, I want the parse to be, what was I thinking of? JSON data equals it. Okay, no, I think I want to do this instead. I want to move data up here, and then I want to do, instead of for that in data, get that, and I want to say, hey, JSON data that parse data of keys, and then I want to say if let's see, I want to say if parse, or no, sorry, parse2, what is it? It's like error or something. It's something silly. It's like parse result, and then like if parse result is not equal to, okay, yeah, it's like really was right above it. If parse result parse2 underscore result is not equal to frickin' whatever it's called, is not equal to okay, I'm gonna say just continue again, just ignore it, right? Else I want to say that, so what turns into data? Data is JSON data dot parse. Okay, so JSON data dot parse is fine. But then what turns into the JSON data again? So data is equal to JSON data. JSON data is derived from JSON.new. What does JSON get the data?
When your heart is broken, you simply cannot trust what your mind is telling you.
I think JSON data defined here. And then it's JSON.data.parse that. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's that. you're supposed to be keys. Whoops. Keys equals that. And then I want to do that. And then, yeah, so then if that's not okay, then I want to skip it. If it is okay, then I want to say data of just keys is equal to, frick.
This is what makes heartbreak so difficult.
Then I want to say, var data 2,
They know when they're shooting up.
because that's going to be a thing.
Do not. But
Data 2 is going to be equal to, JSON.new. And so now I'm saying data 2, or not data 2, or sorry, data that is equal to that, and then over here I want to say data 2 is equal to that. Data 2. And I want to say data keys is equal to, data 2.
what your mind is telling you.
So basically I'm saying if, like, try parse. If the parse doesn't work, then just skip it. If it does work, redefine, and then continue. So let's try that one more time. That looks like it almost worked. I'm gonna add a little print here, which is gonna be like, print. Whoops. Stir. Attempting to parse. Data keys. Oh yeah, I should add backslash into that. Comma space. Backslash in.
When your heart is broken,
Whoops, I see. I put the thingy on the wrong side. Paste it. What did I say again? It was attempting to parse, yeah. Attempting to parse that. Okay, I'm just gonna say here, attempting to parse key that, then here I'm just gonna say, print, parse failed skipping. Parsing key failed. Key failed skipping. Let's see. Didn't parse key that. Okay, so it apparently passed. So what's the error now? What's the error now? Type that as declared below the parent block. I mean, yeah, I could debatably just ignore you. I'll do it on line 32. Okay, so where is it? 32, 32. JSON. I'm gonna say reset JSON. Data. Reset underscore JSON data. Reset underscore JSON data. Reset underscore JSON data. Reset underscore JSON underscore data. I retyped that whole thing where I didn't need to. There we are. Okay, that should work. Reload, you run, no errors, hopefully. Cool. So now, if I got the year, it says 24. The start time seems to be unhappy. But hey, where's that other thing coming from? The frickin' 24 type of 20. Okay, start. Okay, that is inconvenient. Okay, so that's that. So that's awesome. It's not running properly, but it's at least running. Okay, what if I do that, and then I do something like... Use my console, so I might as well make you huge, right? Parse JSON successful, update, wrote to file, greater, parse result equals 0, function that, attempting to parse key that, parse JSON successful. Okay. JSON read successfully. Okay, what if I... Wait, what if I return data to? What if I just print data to? Print data to. Then you do a string again. Quote data to is going to be equal to that, which is then going to be equal to that. I reload it. Data 2 is equal to that thing. Okay, so that's a JSON blob thing, which is not working out. So I'm having a misunderstanding here with how it's being assigned. So JSON the parse file contents is equal to open file, I guess text, open file is defined as that. But okay, I already got the file. I got the results of the file. So I'm trying to say parse2 is not equal to that, but it maybe get us text? No. I'm just gonna throw ChatGPT or this at ChatGPT because I am fucking brain going fizzy and it's not working. So let's just see how this works. Let's see. Why is this not working? Let's see if this comes up with anything. Hey, I'll try your suggestion. Because right now my brain do a blip. Let's do... Cool. Yeah, if you can stop doing that, that'd be cool. Good dot. There's already a variable that. Parse result. Parse2. That's all relative to that. Okay, let's give this a run again. Non-existent keys on base nil. Where? 65? Oh, you know, this probably thinks it's in fucking something else. No, it thinks it's in GD script. Okay, data keys. There's right there for key in that. And data. How did I get it before? This I don't remember. For keys and just data. Okay, so yeah, it's trying to get it wrong. It's trying to access it the wrong way. Keys and data. Is it saying it's a nil instance? No, because I'm trying to specifically do it for data. But why are you saying you're a nil instance? Wait, cannot access key result on a base, whatever. That's line 80. The result I'm pretty sure is supposed to be a function call. I think it's incorrect. I think that's supposed to be something else, isn't it? Like if I want the value of it, the value is supposed to be get underscore data, I think. Why was that working and then not working now? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna ignore all that. I'm gonna go back to this because I'm pretty sure I was on the right track with this. I'm gonna just add a little comment thing here. Blech. And I think I'm gonna stop the stream here and get back to this some other time. So hey, have fun. Hope you don't mind the Christmas stream, the late night Christmas stream. I know this wasn't very eventful, but like brain cooked. So hey, yeah, have a Merry Christmas and catch you on the New Year. See ya.